going on, everybody? Just out here enjoying a little rip, and I figure I'd tell you the good news that Hulk Off-Road has a sponsor, A and UTV Pro. They're an aftermarket accessory company. They have bumpers, roofs, fender flares, tablet holders, windshields, rear windshields, all kinds of stuff for all the top brand manufacturer side-by-side companies. Honda, Kawasaki, Polaris, Can-Am. Go there, check them out. Literally, I have everything you need. Also, at checkout, use Hulk Off-Road to save yourself 5%. This is a really big deal for us. It's going to help us get on the, go in the right direction as a YouTube channel. And I'm hoping I can help these guys out. So I appreciate you guys following me and going to check them out. Again, it is A and UTV Pro on Amazon and AandUTVPro.com. Appreciate all of you. I hope you guys have a good day.